of my kind, them faggot full up of a god when them fight.
Folks, them know what to do early. One more police boy on the back. Them police boy have the early. I'm going like it is. Yes, we can't have to stay there when the 2 o'clock. Oh, yes, when the 4 o'clock yet. The Babylon boy come forward. All of them. Oh, yes, boy.
Jamaica, the land of beauty and also of harsh reality. But in spite of it all, she gave to us reggae and dancehall.
The journey continues. I know myself value. Believe in yourself, youth. Alright then. Yeah.
Speak the truth, and it will set you free.
Yo. Watch you know that anything fake, anything I shake, that I get eliminated straight. Anything fake, anything I shake, that I get eliminated. Alright, St. James on my place and Delphi on my base, but the king no get the crown in place. No for chat the on me back and the stamina me back, but them can't come do it in my face. Gone to the gate, this call for the bait. Hounds carry weight and my girl carry shape. Yo, anything fake, anything I shake. Them want take man for time. Alright, inna the streets man savage, and the streets of my college, and me thank Father God for the knowledge. Enough I make cabbage, but them soft like porridge, so damage them just can't manage. Enough I say them have me back, but I chat them a chat astonish. I'm just being honest. Dog me the fool, don't give me no promise. Man carry wallet and girl carry malice. I the man with the family like this. R.I.P. Cause me daddy pass on. For my birthday, yeah, my first youth boy. I the man with the family like this. Inna the street intense, so me know no state. Show me emotions, watch no face. Work me a work, recess no break. If I'm not touching no one, no case. Got tables turn like every day. Them a teach so we learn like every day. And bridges get burned like every day. Some understand firm in every way. This world is chaotic, let's be me.
Well, my style of music is dancehall.
Watch ya know, but Citizen Records. Watch ya, million talking telling ya, rags the riches, yeah. Rags the riches, yeah. They tell you if they can, I can, higher than high man. Me stand alone like an island. Do as I say like Simon. Yeah, dog, if you can, we can fight the fight like Tyson. People are real, them a poison. Somehow me no find that surprising. I garrison my grow, me know the road rough. Yeah, the system take with.
When did you first discover that you had a love and a passion for music?
Well, basically start from in a church. Still know so we are record from about 5 years now. You know, on Sunfest in a real life. I don't know. We still at work and nothing beat hard work though.
You see it?
Telling you, from nothing to something. From nothing to something. Better days must come, king. Rashid Records telling you, I'm gonna get what is mine. Get what is mine. Man, I will out me now run out of time, dog. I'm gonna get what is mine. Get what is mine. Me a see concert, so me have to find, yeah. Man, I see concert, so me have to find. Tired of suffer, dog, man, want happy time. Me and my brother, them, they up on the block of crime. More Franklin, please, now dollar kind. My daddy gone, but my mama, please keep fine. Things are gonna change in time. Alright, telling you what's on my mind. I'm gonna get what is mine. Get what is mine. Man, I won't let me now run out of time, dog. I'm gonna get what is mine. Get what is mine. Me a see concert, so me have to find, yeah. I miss a world best, so me far from the worst. Far from the worst, yeah. Things that me they go through now, me still know the first. Go for them, say them what? You go forward. Them run then they see you reverse. Know yourself, you done, let's do the research. Go for them.
Make sure you want to follow Militant on social media, you know.
First and foremost, music is something natural for we. We have to just be different in the street, same way. Artist thing, baddest thing, as we say, we are world best and we not guess, you understand? So we just do it, you know. Some boy don't know about it, just make them don't know about it. My style of music is something where you know, say, oh, we try to make our thing regular. And if we style not tree common. So you don't know so few thing in time people hear our thing, you go just different. We always come with a message. A message after it.
Where do you see yourself in the near future?
In the near future, well, in Jamaica terms are far, you know, general, you know. Because we know so we not going to stand up that way, you understand? We're far, we don't have no limit to a thing, we have a sky, you understand? In a real life, man, I be a sky movie.
What inspires you to do music?
We have a natural talent, we have a voice. So that's our first thing we inspire for work. Even my length, but all of them, we don't see far of them in a real life, you see me? Yeah man, the team out here, see support. You know, so there's always space to grow, no matter what level or what people might think at the moment. But I sure say, yo, me, myself, always vigorous to this, you understand? We've got the energy there, you understand? So we always spend 100%, that makes us different in a real life. That's why we say we are alien, you get it? Yep. Daddy drop out and gone, and you don't know, we have to do it same way. Mama, our biggest inspiration.
Sunfest, we want you again. Ready for your Sunfest. We not rich. They make a look out, Militant coming. Mother, man.
Yep.
Where can people find you and your music on the internet?
Alright, we're basically on every platform. Basically, we're on Instagram, Militant Globe Genna, Facebook, Militant Omari, Whittaker in a real life. You know, you can find me on Spotify, you can find me on eBay, you can find me on iTunes, selling market. You understand? You have to just search it right. You're Militant Globe Genna. All digital platform, and we're out here.
Are you currently signed to any recording label?
We're not really signed it basically. Label right now. Basically, working with a majority of labels still, I understand. The Blue Notes record, we have Alcian Music, Rashik Records. And you know, so we're also working with California, and we're working with Ramesh Entertainment. You understand? Greatness in our pipeline, so you understand. Look out for more Militant on the music. There's always room for work.
What advice would you give someone who is trying to make it in the music business?
It's hard work, you understand. First of all, you have to find the right pipeline because you don't really want to do a thing and you don't go down the drain all the time. So you have to always try to work with the right people. You have to always stay in the right circle. They're on the right energy, you understand? You have to know, say, oh, this is a business we're in. It's serious. You get it?
Which community are you from and do you get the support you think you deserve?
Content Adelphi in a real life. You know, say how I grown that. Support wise, we still not believe we get enough support because the community big in a real life. And we might not get it everywhere, but we still not watch that. We still a fight for it. We still a push out and still till all who not really follow way up have to start follow way up on the real thing. You understand? So I just need as an artist I have to always try to make the example there. Give people them, show them, say, oh, you're somebody you can look up to. Somebody who you know go feel the community or in real life, you understand? The energy that we work with though.
Are you booked for any upcoming shows, live performances?
Yes man, next hot spot we have show like from Bounty or Chilani, we have show at Ochi, even back to Sunfest, even back to Jerkfest.
What do you want to say to your fans and supporters?
Well, what I really want to say to my fans is that like right now, I'm like the M5 in a real life. So you don't know, them are the turbo and them give me the drive, them give me speed, them give me push, you understand? In a real life. So I want them just believe and always believe. You understand? Militant now go let them done. Militant go always do it for in a real life. You get it? Just remember, I love my fans them from day one. Future fans to come see me. Remember all who, no matter what you do. If I just a word of advice, you don't know, we always appreciate it. You get it? Because real thugs never forget where them a come from. So big up all our fans them in a real life. Though.
Baby, you have the greatest pussy in the world. I know them say, yo, them say pressure about spike. Inna your pussy mouth a boss enough night. From a rough life, now we have a love life and in a debate.
Yeah, why we look upon the life as really wild life, you know. Because, yes, and tell me one now, you see from school days, everyone have to trot, hunt, lime, hockey, everything, forget it by Friday, we go market Saturday. So it's like a hunting, so we learn to save out of nothing, you understand? So You see, moving around, learning little skill and them thing there. Life not too hard for we. Cause our life when done wild, so we know how to make it thing out of nothing. So we say from nothing to something. Turn 2019 in a gold paper. Wild life.